Welcome to our video tutorial on Electro, a powerful Shopify theme designed for the best user experience and the most intuitive display of your product information. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Product Sticky Bar. The Product Sticky Bar keeps essential product information accessible as customers scroll, ensuring a seamless shopping experience without constant scrolling. When you click on each menu item, it will scroll to specific section. Instead of constantly scrolling up and down, it can help you access crucial product details conveniently. Let's see how you can set up the Product Sticky Bar for your own store using Electro theme. Firstly, ensure that the section ID is enabled in your theme editor. To enable section ID, access the theme setting. Under Appearance section, you can enable Show Section ID in the product template. And now, you can see, below each section, it's showing the section ID. Product Sticky Bar section contain menu item block. Click on each menu item. You can change the name of menu label. For example, I will add featured product. For target section ID, I will input the desired section ID that I want to scroll to. I will simply copy the ID of this section and paste it here. You can apply the same process to other menu items. Feel free to add additional menu items here, or remove any unnecessary ones. Additionally, you can include an Add to Cart button directly in the sticky bar. To enable this feature, click on Product Sticky Bar section, head to its setting, select the option Show Purchasing in Sticky Product menu. For Purchasing button on Sticky Bar, you can either switch between Add to Cart button or Dynamic Checkout button. And there you have it. By enabling the Product Sticky Bar with clear navigation and even an Add to Cart button, you can ensure your customers have a more convenient and enjoyable shopping journey. This is the end of this video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest video. Thanks for watching.